DeepSeek AI is a powerful new platform. It uses artificial intelligence and helps businesses automate tasks. DeepSeek AI makes businesses more efficient. It has many tools that use the latest AI technology. These tools can analyze data, generate content, and even understand human language. The purpose of DeepSeek AI is to help businesses grow by automating tasks and providing insights from data. It helps businesses make better decisions. DeepSeek AI is easy to use with a simple interface, and it is accessible on any device. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI has many AI-powered tools with a variety of applications. They can help with various business tasks. One tool is the AI Writer. The AI Writer can generate different types of content, such as articles, reports, and social media posts. It can even write poems and scripts. Another tool is the Data Analyzer, which analyzes data to find trends and patterns, helping businesses understand their customers. DeepSeek AI also has a chatbot builder that creates chatbots for websites. These chatbots can answer questions and provide customer support. These are just a few examples. DeepSeek AI has many other tools that can be combined to create powerful automation solutions. The DeepSeek AI platform is easy to navigate. The user interface is intuitive, allowing users to find the tools they need quickly. The platform has a clean design with clear labels, making it easy to understand. Even new users can use it with little effort. The platform is also responsive, which means it works on any device. Users can access it from their computer, tablet, or phone. DeepSeek AI is at the forefront of automation and is constantly evolving. New tools and features are added regularly. The potential of DeepSeek AI is vast, as it can revolutionize many industries. It can automate tasks in healthcare, finance, and education. DeepSeek AI is committed to ethical AI, ensuring the responsible use of its technology. This is important for building trust with users. The future of automation is here, and DeepSeek AI is leading the way. It empowers businesses and individuals, helping them achieve more than they ever thought possible.